Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is another big major breakthrough in the future Galaxy S series lineup. New reports claim that the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could ditch the S Pen Stylus to make way for this new technology. On the other hand, according to the latest available data, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display might be visible only to the user when strong privacy is needed. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. As we move further away from the release of Samsung's S25 Ultra, new rumors about its successor, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, are starting to emerge more frequently on the network. The latest report comes from a tech insider Panda Flash Pro on X page, who suggests that Samsung may cut features from the S Pen to make space for new charging tech. Currently, Samsung now has new S Pen technology, and Samsung is ready to use it in the Ultra model, they wrote in their tweet. Specifically, they say that the South Korean tech giant company Samsung will remove the S Pen digitizer. Doing so would allegedly allow the company to add a Qi2 magnetic ring to the phone for charging and other charging accessories. Additionally, as Samsung is on a never-ending quest to make the thinnest phones in the world, it would also allow the phone maker to reduce the thickness of the Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship. If Samsung finally adds magnets to the phone, it would have a MagSafe-like feature, similar to Apple's iPhones. In response to comments, Panda Flash indicated that Samsung would use similar tech for the S Pen, which might be in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Reportedly, Samsung has rebuilt the S Pen with new tech and a bigger form factor. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 still won't have an internal holder for the S Pen and requires a special holding case. Though Panda Flash does say that we won't be seeing a return of the Bluetooth-capable S Pen Stylus. There are a number of rumors about the S Pen Stylus, with regular Samsung leaker Jukan Choi posting recently that Samsung might remove the S Pen entirely after the Galaxy S27 lineup. On the other hand, according to a deal site report, Samsung will use Flex Magic Pixel OLED panels for the first time next year. The advantage of Flex Magic Pixel over privacy covers concerns the overall screen experience. Privacy covers alter the display experience by reducing brightness. Flex Magic Pixel tech would only adjust the viewing angle for people around the user without reducing the brightness for the user. Samsung usually announces its main flagship S-series line in January, which is when we're likely to see the S26 family next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.